Maybe not. I just put it on. We are at 20 subs with only 9 videos. This video right here got 250 views, 109 and 16. That was our first ever video, second video, and third. Our shorts are going even crazier, with decent views with almost every single post, including this one, 7,000. So get this video right now to like 100 views as well. Thank you, and thanks for the subs and all that. And we're going to be changing the PFP soon, so I gotta figure out what we're going to do on that. Peace, and come back to the next video.